Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday, August the 28th. And I'm starting off with ASOS, where there's been a decent breakout from within a falling wedge formation, bullish formation, which has been in place on the daily chart since March. This reversal is a breakout through the 20-day moving average at £23.89. Obviously, there's been some takeover speculation on the back of this breakout as well. That's powering the move. In terms of the upside, potentially we should see a retest of July resistance towards £32, which is the obvious charting resistance to look at. But maybe a best case scenario here at the moment would be £37.94, which is the floor of the June gap to the downside. In such situations, in fact, probably the thing to look out here is that you see the triangle breakout, but then the failure, if there is one, tends to happen towards the 50-day moving average. So it'll be very interesting to see what happens for the rest of today's session. We do have bullish divergence in the RSI window too, which flagged the move to the upside and which could also deliver further momentum and take this stock through this what can be a troublesome 50-day moving average zone, the line shown there in blue around £28. Next up is Hurricane Energy, where the shares have been in a rising trend channel since February, looking encouraging still. There's been sort of quite a lot of consolidation ready for August, so not much movement here either side of the 40p level, but the good news here is we've got a higher low to end the month and also a rebound off the 50-day moving average at 40p at the moment. So we're still looking for top of channel target here as high as 60p over the next 1 to 2 months. If you're cautious on the shares, maybe you'd wait for a break or an end of day close above the August peak at 44p, but it does look as though there's been enough good work done here by the bulls in recent weeks to trigger a new leg to the upside. Stop loss on the whole bull argument, probably an end of day close back below 37p, which was the initial August floor. Finishing off with what is supposed to be another takeover situation, and that comes in the form of Monitise. We were sort of flagged to the idea of recovery here with the narrow bear trap for August below the former July 38.5p floor, as I've shown here in the annotation. So yesterday's move was possibly sort of long overdue in terms of what we might have seen here in the recovery sort of scenario. There's also a rising July support line in the RSI window as well to power the move, and that would lead us to the conclusion that we should head towards the main resistance here, which is between 57p, the top of an April price channel, and up to as high as the 200-day moving average at 61p. In terms of the stop loss, the ideal situation would be to have a stop loss just below the 20-day moving average at 42p. Ideally, there'd be no break back below the 50-day moving average on a closing basis. That's at 46.5p over the next few sessions. That's it from me. More updates at spreadbetmagazine.com.